Hi everyone, this is Shweta. Today we are going to discuss about paper bag versus plastic bag, which is really better. So it is a quite crucial topic because it undergoes many advantages, disadvantages, and many more debates and speeches you may cross throughout now. So let's discuss about it. We always ask a question when it comes time to decide what to take with you to the store, paper or plastic bag. But it is a major question arises in my mind when I am leaving for shopping. On the one hand, it is a simple choice, but let's think about these two different things. Each has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's look what they differ. Paper bags. Paper comes from trees. It takes 3 tons of wood to get 1 ton of paper pulp. Some of its advantages are it takes less time to decompose. But paper bags in US and Russia are not particularly common, such as in United States, so that we can cherish our forest. Some of its disadvantages are the paper bags have a number of drawbacks. The main disadvantage of the paper is due to the fact that it is afraid of water. Using lamination helps a little. Another and very significant drawback the high cost of raw materials and the ways to improve it. If you take it to a recycling center, it means more energy and the chemicals are used. According to the magazine National Geographic, in the manufacturing of the paper bags, more energy, more water than in the production of the plastic bags are used. Some websites tells about the paper making pollutes 70% more pollution in making the production of plastic bag. So plastic bags comes from oil. Every one of us uses plastic bag in our day-to-day life. Some of its advantages are it is undeniable. They are cheap to produce, well tolerate humidity, strong and durable. Another advantage of the polyethylene to the paper is the possibility of the long-term use. Plastic bag which served as a time can be used for a long time. So, some of its disadvantages are plastic is a very useful material which is a very important in the modern life, but the problem is that it can lie on the ground or swim in the water for decades. In fact, in the UK, for example, they recycle only one bag in the 200 plastic bags. Beside plastic bag causes 10,000 sea turtles and other marine animals to die every year when the animals mistaken them as a food. So, now we have discussed what are the advantages and the disadvantages across paper bag and the plastic bag. So, coming to the conclusion, who is the winner then? So, both plastic and the paper bags are harmful for our environment. Despite its low durability, one advantage of the paper is that it can decompose much more quickly than the plastic, and therefore it is less likely to be a source of litter and pose a risk to the wildlife. Paper is also more widely used recyclable, which plastic bags can take between the 400 and 1000 years to decompose. So, on other hand, it may take into a next step that is we can also use recycled bags. So that's it about this topic.